Here we've got CUBOT Note 7, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you need to locate and open your Play Store, then click on More icon and select My Apps and Games. Obviously you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and logged in with your Google account, as otherwise you will not be able to perform any of those actions. And here, as you can see, you've got all apps that can be updated. And now you can either pick one particular application, it can be for example Google Drive, tap on Update, and it will be done. But let me stop it, because there is also another function which is Update All, and you can smoothly tap on Update All to update all apps that you've got in your device. And here you'll be able to observe the progress. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, or even lock your device, and then if you will open it again, you'll be able to check the progress. And then at the bottom of the list you will find recently updated apps. And this is it, that will be all, so you can update applications in your CUBOT Note 7. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.